Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Bigyan. So welcome Bigyan to the Finxter Freelancer course. Glad to have you here. So in these videos, like these introductory videos or welcome videos, I want to just share some tips and some good opportunities that new Python freelancers or new freelancers in the broad Python space could pursue possibly. So I share a series of those tips. Of course, it's not the only, this is not the only tip or niche direction that is relevant to you, Bigyan, but this is one that may interest you because you have written me in a personal conversation that you are interested in Django, or actually you have pursued a Django course. So I thought, okay, check out the opportunity. Is there a big opportunity for freelancers in Django space? And actually I found some very interesting things freelancers do in the big Python Django area. So if you just go to Upwork, you search for Python Django. This is what you always should do if you try to create your own freelancing career. You should check out what already works for other people, because if it already works for them, it is likely to work for you as well. And the competition aspect is not so important in freelancing, because freelancing is manual labor kind of. So those people, even though they are very skilled and they have a lot of experience and stuff, they cannot do all the work. There's still more work than can be handled by them. So you basically, there will always be work for you as a Python coder, because in general there's more work to be done in Python than there are coders to do the work actually. So if you actually, I found those two interesting profiles. One of Sergey from Russia, who actually earns $90 per hour. He has already earned like 500,000 dollars on the Upwork platform alone, and has 100% job success rate. So this is how you get premium rates, by just delivering a lot of value to your customers. And I mean, I know this may sound trivial to you, but it really isn't. I mean, it is about your mindset as well. And this you will learn in the course. You will learn the correct mindset to approach, to really create those, to not only create but design and craft those high job success satisfaction scores, because then if you get those right and you stay in the game for long enough, you will also get to those premium hourly rate over time. And here the second one, Slavomir, he comes from Poland, and I liked a lot how he positioned himself as a freelance developer. So he also focuses on the web development, like Django and Flask actually, but he didn't write it in his profile. He just writes in his profile, implementer of your ideas. How powerful is that? I mean, all the other freelancers, they fight around this and that niche. It's great to position yourself in a niche, but you should also like your skill in a certain niche. It's just a feature of the product you are selling. The product is your skill and your time. So you sell your skill, your time, so you position the product, and you can now, there are two ways of selling any product. You can either sell the features of the product, so just list the features. For example, say this microphone has this and that slot, it looks like this. You add a few photos, you add the functionalities, how many hertz it can capture, and so on. So you can list all those features, but those features for most people wouldn't mean a thing. It would be far better to sell the benefits of this microphone, like create your own YouTube account or so, create your own videos and make money out of them or so. So there are some second order and third order, take care of your family and stuff, ways of the benefits after the features. And this guy, he understands it very well, and that's also why he earns above average hourly rate of $80 per hour. And already, he has earned $700,000 on the platform during the last couple of years. So it's, those two guys are really, they are very they are high earners, and they know how to position themselves. And you should study those people, of course. And I mean, in the course, I will give you lots and lots of tips actually to improve your profile and to also position yourself in a powerful way on the freelancing platforms. But you should also check it out on yourself, explore the niche you are going to, look what already works, and copy the things that fit best to your approach or to your desired outcome. And he sells the second order benefit, implementer of your ideas. So he is using me, you language. He's talking to me. I may have some ideas. I may have a lot of ideas, but I don't have someone who can implement those ideas. And actually, this is why I search on Upwork in the first place for people. So, and this is how they find. I mean, if you see this, okay, if you are currently searching as a client, because you have some ideas, you want to implement them, and then this guy is telling you he is the implementer of my ideas. How awesome is that? He's just connecting to my mind, actually. He's just circumventing all this stuff. And all the other people, they just position themselves as, they just list the features. What they can, like this guy, he's an expert Python Django developer. This is, I mean, it's a feature, it's a nice feature, it also works, but this one is just genius marketing. So, I think the takeaway of this introductory lesson is to actually check out the pros, what are they doing, check out the tips I gave in the Freelancer course, and try to please the customers, delight your customers, as Warren Buffett says. It's one of the most important maxims in business, delight your customers. And this would be a great niche idea, particularly for you, Bigyan, who have already told me that you are interested in Django development. Okay, thanks for joining the course, Bigyan, and see you in the course. Bye.